Hi everyone, my name is Shringvi Gowda and today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami heart. So the end result is going to look like this. So first you're going to need a 15 into 15 inch paper. First, what you're going to do to make it is you're going to fold it in half. So as you see, I have folded it in half. And you're going to fold it the opposite direction. So when you fold the opposite direction, like so, what you're going to do next, you're going to fold this to the middle line, like this. Like from this to the middle line means like that. So then you're going to flip it. When you flip, you're just going to take this down. So after you've taken this down, you're going to do it. So you have to make it really nice to the crease. So to see, you can see that the crease is there. Just going to fold this downwards. Like so. So then you're going to flip it again. And then you're going to take this and you're just going to fold it to the crease. And just this, and you're going to fold it to the crease. So it'll look somewhat like this. Next, what you're going to do, you're going to turn it and you're just going to make this. You're going to fold the corner. Take this, put it down, and you're just gonna keep on doing. You're gonna do that for the two sides. Next, you're going to fold inward in half. Don't make a crease yet. So you might think, why is there 3D version? Why is there 3D thing here? You're gonna just put it down, and you're just gonna flatten it a little bit, and you're just gonna push 3D down. So I'm just going to show you so you will understand. To make this, you're just going to make it a little bit flat. You're going to make a crease here and you're just going to slowly push down like that. It's going very good. So next what we're going to do is we're just going to take this. You see there's this little pouch. We're going to just fold it in. Just like this. Then you're going to take this crease and then you're just going to fold it like this. And you might be thinking, this doesn't look like a heart, it's supposed to look like this. Well, wait. You can see surprise. Then you're gonna just turn like this. Making a heart is just very easy. You can learn from me. So then for the final reveal, flip. Oh, this is how you make a heart. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And please also check, if you like this video, also check out Niti's Crafts. You might like it too. Subscribe to me. Bye.